Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today is 21st of September 2020 and Monday. Today we will do comparing and ordering numbers. Comparison between numbers. Either they are small or big, means smaller or greater or equal. What are they? Between two numbers. 2 digit एंड 3 digit. हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे नंबर्स के दरमियान कि वो इक्वल हैं, बराबर हैं, ग्रेटर हैं, बड़े हैं, और स्मॉलर, लेस देन, जिससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं उससे छोटे हैं, लेस हैं, स्मॉल हैं, राइट. So first of all, we will learn how to identify, how to show them, how to tell them that they are greater, they are smaller, uh, less than, or equal to, with the sign, symbol. As you can see on the board, right? This is the sign of greater than, right? This is a sign of greater than, right? This is less than from this side, or right hand side. If the sign is right hand side, it is less than. If the sign is open with the left hand side, it is greater, and this is equal. Equal means, for example, 314, which is big number, greater number, which is smaller number. कौन सा छोटा है? Which is greater? कौन सा बड़ा है? None of them. कोई भी नहीं है ना. दो, both are same, एक जैसे हैं, equal हैं. So if they are equal, we will put the sign this. It means equal. This sign is equal, right? And if we talk about like this, if we talk about 94 and 50, right? Which one is greater? 94 is smaller than 50 or greater than, but is smaller than 50, छोटा है 50 से, और greater than 50 से बड़ा है 94. This is ones, 4 ones and 9 tens, 0 ones and 5 tens. It means 94 is greater, and greater sign is this. It means 94 is greater than 50. If we talk about 11 and 50. So 11 is 50. So 11 is greater than 50, बड़ा है, और 11 is less than 50, 11 इससे छोटा है. So 11 is greater than, 11 is ones, 1, 1 10, 0 ones, 5 tens. So 11 is less than. See, less than 50. This is less than, right? We will understand this with the help of video. I will play a video and you will see that what is less than and what is greater than. Let's start. Now see, this is crocodile. Crocodile, he's sleeping, taking rest, right? What's this? There are 4 and there are crocodile likes smooth. These are the pieces of cake. 1 and 3. Which is more? 3. Crocodile likes more. He eats more. 4 and there are 5. So where will go? From the greater number 5, right? 5 apples now, right? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side crocodile will go from 7, right? He will eat 7, right? He has eaten too much. What crocodile eats? Crocodile loves to eat sweets. Laddus, cakes, and apples. Crocodile. One day, crocodile hungry, and there were uh, there are one side has 2 laddus and another side has 4 laddus. And crocodile is very hungry. Which is greater? Which is more? 4 or 2? 4. 4 are greater. See, 4 are more than 2. And see the mouth of it is widely open, right? Right? Crocodile will go to 4, right? Next is cakes. 3 cakes and one side, one piece of cake, and there are other side has 3 cakes. Pieces of which side crocodile will go? With the side of greater. There are more than one. Crocodile will go towards 3 pieces of cake, right? Now there are apples. There are 4 apples and another side 5 apples. So which side crocodile go? 5 apples, right? Because 5 apples are more, and crocodile likes to eat more. 5 apples are greater, or we can say that 4 are less than 5. Now crocodile, there are more laddu. Croco eats 7 laddus. There are 7 laddus and another side 3 laddus, and crocodile will eat 7 laddus. 7 laddus. 7 is more than 3. Crocodile always go for bigger number. Bigger number, right? Right? So, uh, see the crocodile, right? 4 and 2. Which side crocodile will go? This is the sign, red sign. It is greater than. It is greater than. Yes. Then look at the shape of crocodile's mouth. This is horizontal sleeping beak, correct? And this is, we will take only his mouth and we will catch the bigger number, the 7 and 5. So which is bigger? 7. 7 is bigger. 7 is bigger. This sign shows bigger number. Greater, this crocodile shape, mouth shape shows the greater number, right? This sign is called greater than sign. 7 is greater than 5. 7 greater than 5. 17, if there are 17 and 11 number, how would you show which number is greater? Just remember the crocodile, that which number will crocodile go. Remember the shape of his mouth. Se- 17 is greater than 11. 17 is greater than, which is greater, 20 or 23? Use the crocodile's mouse. 20 is less than, as you see this side of mouth, right? 20 is less than 23, right? 4 and 5, 4 is less than 5. If both the sides the same equals, then what we will write? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Then we will use the sign of equal to, right? Just like 20 equal to 20, right? Let us summarize. Crocodile's open mouth points toward greater number, right? 7. 7 is greater than 3. 4, 4 and 5. Again, we use the crocodile mouth. 4 is less than 5, right? This is a symbol for use for less than. Now, crocodile's mouth is another side. If the two things are same, two groups are same, then 4 apples and 4 apples. When both numbers are same, then we will use 4 equal to 4 when two numbers are equal. Yes, that is all. That is all for today. Only remember crocodile's mouth, because he is very hungry and always go to greater number, right? In this way, we will never forget that which is greater and how to show the greater number, right? So we finish our class here. Thank you. Take care. Allah.